So this is a pop-up of our company. It's more of like a online. Requested by my husband. I don't know that. It's like 50 off. So instead of $10, it's gonna be $5. Instead of $14, it's gonna be $7. Ice cream. Yeah. So this one. Right? Same energy. So this one is 5 pounds. It's not the meanest, but I get what's on sale for me. So I'll pack this 5 pounds. I'll divide this into 4. Look at that. This one, every now and then. But this one's also on sale for the storage. Okay, so you have one bundle. So $3. Bolted skinless. So that's the rest of the guys. And the last thing is this one. Also, this for bread, tomatoes, so this is not even include eggs, basic veggies, like onions, avocado, salad, including that. Including those. Look at me, yeah, I'm a showstopper.